How to fix Fallout 3 freezes on Windows. 1. Play in windowed mode. Path, Steam option mode. 2. Edit your configuration file, Fallout_default via Steam's Browse Local Files tool. Hints, 1. Change the busethreaded AI equals 0 into busethreaded AI equals 1. 2. Add inumber HW threads equals 2 beneath busethreaded AI. 3. Change compatibility and run Fallout 3.exe as administrator. Like this. 4. Update your graphics card drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 5. Remove and reinstall Fallout 3.